Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making pressure cooker breakfast hash. Alright, I'm starting out on my 6-quart electric pressure cooker. I've set on saute and it's hot. I'm going to add a little bit of olive oil in here. About 2 tablespoons. I'm also going to add in about 2 tablespoons of butter. Now the reason you don't do just all butter is because if you put that in there it's going to scorch and burn. You need that olive oil to fortify it. I'm going to grab a spoon and I'm going to stir this around and melt it quick. Because like I said, my pressure cooker is hot. Okay, now I have 12 ounces of Canadian bacon. I'm going to get this in here and I'm going to saute this on saute, fry it till it's nice and browned up. Okay, now that my Canadian bacon's starting to brown up nice and you can hear it crackling, I have 1 green bell pepper, 1 red bell pepper, and 1 onion I diced up. We're going to get them in there and we're going to fry them for a few minutes with the bacon until they start to soften up. Okay, now that my peppers, onions, and bacon sauteed for about 5 minutes and the vegetables are starting to soften up, to this I'm going to add in some garlic. I'm going to add in 2 teaspoons of garlic, or you would use 2 cloves. I'm using the pre-minced stuff. Hey guys, if you smell the smells in the house, they're smelling good. I'm going to add in a teaspoon of oregano. Give that a stir. And I'm going to add in a little bit of salt and pepper. I'm going to add in about a teaspoon of salt. And this is to your tasting. Or to your taste, should I say. And I'm going to add in about a half a teaspoon of pepper. I'm also going to add in about a half a cup of chicken broth. Give that a quick stir. Now I have roughly about 3 pounds of russet potatoes. I wash and I dice. I left the skins on. If you like, you could wash or peel them. As long as you wash them good, you really don't have to. I'm going to get my potatoes in there. You can hear that's boiling hot. That's what we want this to come up to pressure quick for us. I'm going to give that a stir. Get everything all mixed together so the seasoning gets through the potatoes and cooks into them. Okay, I'm going to put my lid on this. Make sure we're set on seal. I'm going to set this to pressure cook on high pressure for 6 minutes. After 6 minutes, we'll do a quick release of the pressure. After my 6 minutes, I release the pressure manually. Now I've just set on saute high. I'm cooking down a little bit of that liquid. It's been going for about 2 minutes. I'm going to use a slotted spoon to serve this up. This is ready to go. Let's go ahead and fix up a plate and see what we got. I went ahead and I served this with sunny side up egg, and I went ahead and garnished it with some salt and pepper and some parsley. Let's get in here and give this a try. I'm going to break that yolk all over. And if you don't like your eggs sunny side up, but like we call them here in Pennsylvania, we call them dippy eggs. You could also lay a scrambled egg on top of here or no egg at all. What, Dexter? It's really good. See, the egg is fried right. Nice and runny but not slimy. A little bit of bacon. What, Dexter? Yeah, this egg came from a pig. This is a pig's egg. Get that a try. It's really delicious, guys. You get the saltiness from the ham, you get the vegetables, the potatoes, and you get that yolk all through there. That's really delicious and it wasn't hard at all. Alright, there you have it. Pressure cooker breakfast hash. Give it a try. Thanks for watching, and until next time, I'll see ya.